How to check previous friends on Roblox. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Roblox on your device. Make sure you're logged into your Roblox account. Then, simply click on Add Friends in here. After you click on Add Friends in here, you will find all your friends in here. You can simply click on Search for People at the top, and if you remember your previous friend's username, you can simply search and add them. Or you can also click on Party at the bottom, and if you have chat with that person, even if you're not friends anymore, the chat will still be there. You can click on the chat and then click on the person's profile and then send them the friend request as well. And this is how to check previous friends on Roblox. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.